So we bored out these soft jaws for the mill, and we're going to put these parts in here like this. We bored them out to fit that diameter. We bored them out to fit the diameter right there, and we'll put it in here, and then we'll write a program to do this 5-hole pattern bolt circle. This is basically a wheel spindle, but they wanted a wheel spindle with solid steel rather than the star shape, so that it would be stronger. So we turned that on the lathe. We'll go over to the lathe and we'll talk about it there. At the lathe, we basically we turn this down, turn the drilled board and turn down one end of it. This end right here, and then we did that on all 4 of them. We bored the rough center hole. We didn't do the bearing fits yet. Then we put some soft jaws on, bored the soft jaws out, and then we chucked on here and chucked on this side, flipped it around, turned this side and face this to finish width, and turn that to finish diameter. Then we chucked it up in these soft jaws, bored the bearing fit on one side, flipped it around, bored the bearing fit on the other side, and then we didn't have to dial it in because we bored the soft jaws when we put them on, and that's how we did our bearing fits.